everybody. Today I want to show you how I got this phone number automation working. I'm going to show it to you right now, and I use Keyboard Maestro as the trigger. But I'm going to show you the automation. And here it's a little AppleScript that asks you to input a phone number. So I put a phone number. And then it's a 10-digit US phone number, 444-555-6666. And so it's a made-up phone number, and I simply hit OK. And boom, you get the phone number scripted, or not scripted, but rather formatted in the appropriate US format. So a parentheses around what would be the area code, and then a hyphen in between the first three and the last four phone number. And then for the second prompt, I added a copy to clipboard button here. So, and I can copy this so you guys can see it. And if I didn't mean to copy it, but here it is. And if I go here, it's pasted. All right, let's delete this for now. And now I'm gonna show you the first prompt. Okay, the first prompt. This is the first prompt that I had to type in to get it to generate an AppleScript. Okay. This is what it provided. And let me give you a pro tip here for the AppleScript. When typing the prompt, you have a better chance of being successful for the code working if the prompt doesn't have text that with symbols in it that require the AI to interpret and understand. If it's just plain text, that's the best method of typing prompts. But when you add things like write a 10-digit phone number in the proper format, the code itself will not be properly working. So let's try this code out by typing it in a AppleScript editor. So I'm going to copy this, and then I'm going to start AppleScript, and I'm going to paste what I just copied. I'm going to compile it, and then I'm going to run it. Boom, it worked. So now I'm going to type in a phone number again, just anything, so that it has a chance to format. 777-888-9999. And then I'll hit OK. Boom, and it gave me the number. It worked. 777-888, and then hyphen and 4 nines. That is perfect. Now, I want to do something with this phone number that I was able to generate. in the proper format. So this is where the second prompt comes in. I type in the second prompt, so we go here, and I'm going to pull up my copy history, because I wrote this before, and I figured out what has worked in preparation for this video. And here's the second prompt. So I say, that worked, thank you. Can you add a copy to clipboard button to the right of the OK button on the output dialog box? Great. So, and then I hit OK. And then we go scroll down here further to see the new script. All right. So it gave me a new script, but it added in the display dialog box, added OK, and then it has set to clipboard command. But it's calling it copy to clipboard. Now I have a copy to clipboard button next to the OK button. Clicking the copy to clipboard button will copy the formatted number to the clipboard for easy pasting. There we go. And that's exactly what we want. We didn't even have to mention this last part in the prompt. So, okay, let's test this code out. I copied it, and we go back to the AppleScript editor. Select all this, and paste the new one. Again, we'll compile, and then hit run. It gives you the dialog box, which is what we've seen before. And then you hit 777-888-9999 and hit OK. Boom. It gives me that phone number again, but this time with the copy to clipboard button to the right of the OK button. Okay. And then it says, when you hit OK, apparently it says user canceled, but obviously no, we just don't want to do anything with that phone number. So we hit OK. And so there you have it. I'm going to close this out. And I'm going to say delete this because I don't need it. And I'm not going to show it how we insert it into Keyboard Maestro again, because that there's a lot of videos I have on my channel of how to input AppleScript into Keyboard Maestro and use Keyboard Maestro as the trigger. This is just showing you how to use ChatGPT to generate a working AppleScript for a formatted phone number. All right. Well, that's what I have for you guys today. I hope you liked this video. Please, if you did, please like, subscribe, and share. And let me know in the comments and if it was by any way useful to you. All right, guys, I'll see you all in the next video.